In this video, I will teach you how to create a vertical t-shirt design in Illustrator. First, we'll take a black background and arrange our text to create an outline. Now align all the text and group them. Now we'll click on Rotate tool and select 90 degrees so our text will be vertical. Now we'll place all three of our texts that are vertical at the bottom and set the whole logo to the top. Now we're going to make a copy under logo. For that, we're going to go into Edit and click on Copy. Then go back to Edit and click on Paste and back. So we're going to open the path and there we will take a copy of it, which will be round. Now click on Expand and go to Pathfinder and click on Unite. Our circle will be ready. The same process will be done with the vertical taxes and they will be colored black at the end. Logos and taxes will group and align everything. Now the last thing we will do is to apply the grunge effect in a light color to the back and see how beautiful the design looks. Use Photoshop for your presentation and apply a little grunge effect on your design. It adds to its beauty. Vertical typography refers to the arrangement of text in a vertical orientation, with characters and lines running from top to bottom, rather than the traditional horizontal left to right orientation. Vertical typography can be used for various design purposes, and it adds a distinctive visual element. Go watch and work. If you like my videos, then you must watch them. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks.